Hi, I'm Adam. Welcome to English Podcast Home. Today, I'm talking with Sarah about daily life English conversations in a simple and natural way.
Adam, what time do you usually wake up every day?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I try to wake up early because it makes my whole day better.
That's nice. I wake up around 8 a.m. I always feel a little lazy in the morning.
Yes, I understand. In the morning, I also feel sleepy for the first 10-15 minutes. I don't want to get out of bed.
What do you do first after waking up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh.
That's a good habit. I also drink water, but sometimes I forget.
After that, I take a shower. A cold shower helps me become active quickly.
Oh, wow, cold shower? I always take a warm shower. I cannot handle cold water in the morning.
Yes, it is difficult at first, but later it feels very refreshing.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread, eggs, and sometimes fruits. If I am in a hurry, I just drink tea and eat something light.
I love tea in the morning. Without tea, I cannot start my day.
Same here. Tea is very important for me too.
Do you feel more active in the morning or evening?
I feel more active in the morning. My mind is fresh and I can focus better.
I am opposite. I become active in the evening. In the morning, I feel very slow.
So you are a night person.
Yes, I think so. I sleep late and wake up late.
I am an early bird. I like quiet mornings.
Do you listen to anything in the morning? Music or news?
Adam, what is your daily work or school schedule like?
I usually start my day at 9 a.m. I get ready in the morning and leave home around 8:30 a.m. so I can reach on time.
That sounds organized. How do you usually go to work or school?
I usually take the bus. Sometimes I walk if the weather is good and the place is not too far.
That's nice. I mostly use a car or sometimes public transport, depending on the situation.
Yes, transport is very important because it affects your timing and energy in the morning.
What do you do when you reach your workplace or school?
First, I check my emails or messages. Then I plan my tasks for the day. After that, I start working on my main duties.
Sounds busy. Do you have meetings during the day?
Yes, I usually have 2 to 3 meetings. Some are short, but some take a long time.
I understand. Meetings can be very tiring sometimes.
Yes, especially when you have a long day. After meetings, I continue my work or projects.
Do you get breaks during your work or school time?
Yes, I usually take a short break after every few hours. I drink water, stretch, or sometimes have tea.
That's good. Breaks are important to stay fresh.
Exactly. Without breaks, it becomes very stressful.
What kind of problems do you face during your day?
Sometimes I feel tired, especially when the work is too much. Also, if I don't sleep well, my focus becomes weak.
Yes, I feel the same. When I have a busy schedule, I feel stressed and tired. Stress is normal, but we need to manage it properly. What do you usually do after finishing your work or school?
I go back home, rest for a while, and then do light activities like watching videos or reading.
That sounds relaxing. I usually feel very tired after my daily responsibilities, too.
What is your daily routine like? I start my day early, then I have many responsibilities like studying, cooking, or office work, depending on the day.
So your day is also very busy.
Yes, sometimes I feel I don't have enough free time. Free time is very important. Without it, life becomes boring. Do you get enough free time in your routine? Not always, but I try to manage at least 1 to 2 hours for myself.
That's good. I think I need to manage my time better.
Time management is the key to a balanced life. Do you ever get stressed because of work?
Adam, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually relax at home. I like watching YouTube videos, movies, or sometimes playing video games.
That sounds fun. What type of videos do you watch on YouTube?
I watch educational videos, funny clips, and sometimes English learning content. It helps me relax and learn at the same time.
That's a good habit. I also watch YouTube, but mostly I watch lifestyle videos and music content.
Nice. Music is also a big part of my free time. I listen to soft music when I want to relax.
Do you watch movies too?
Yes, I watch movies, mostly on weekends. I like action and adventure movies.
I prefer romantic and comedy movies.
That's interesting. Everyone has different tastes.
Do you play any games in your free time?
Yes, sometimes I play mobile games or online games with friends. It helps me feel fresh.
I don't play games much, but I like reading books.
Reading is a very good hobby. What kind of books do you read?
I like motivational books and sometimes short stories.
That's great. I also try to read sometimes, but I don't do it regularly.
What about sports? Do you do any physical activity?
Yes, I like walking and sometimes jogging in the evening. It keeps me active.
I also enjoy walking. It helps me clear my mind.
Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I like listening to music and sometimes cooking new recipes.
That's nice. Cooking is a very useful skill.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I like soft English songs and sometimes instrumental music.
I like pop and relaxing music.
Music really changes your mood, right?
Yes, especially when I feel tired or stressed. What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I usually rest, meet friends, or sometimes go shopping.
I usually spend weekends watching movies, resting, or going outside for a walk.
Do you go out with friends often?
Not very often, but sometimes we meet and have coffee or dinner.
That sounds nice. I also meet my friends sometimes on weekends.
What do you enjoy more, staying at home or going outside?
I enjoy both, but I prefer staying at home when I am tired.
Same here. Home feels more comfortable after a busy week.
What is your favorite way to relax?
Watching movies or listening to music is my favorite way to relax.
I like reading and listening to calm music.
Do you think free time is important?
Yes, very important. Without free time,
Adam, what is your evening routine like after work or school? In the evening, I usually come back home around 6 or 7 p.m. First, I take some rest because I feel tired after the whole day. That sounds relaxing. What do you do after resting? After resting, I usually have dinner with my family, or sometimes alone if I am busy. Do you like family time or alone time more? I like family time more because it feels warm and peaceful, but sometimes alone time is also good for relaxation. That's true. I also enjoy quiet time after a busy day. After dinner, I usually sit and relax. Sometimes I watch TV or use my phone. How much time do you spend on your phone in the evening? Maybe 1 to 2 hours. I try not to use it too much, but sometimes social media takes more time. Yes, that happens with me too. I open my phone just for a few minutes, but it becomes 1 hour. Exactly. It is very common nowadays. Do you watch TV or movies in the evening? Yes, sometimes I watch short videos or a movie episode. It helps me relax. I also like watching TV shows in the evening. What about your evening routine, Sarah? I usually finish my daily work, then I eat dinner and spend some time on my phone or reading. Do you feel tired in the evening? Yes, sometimes I feel very tired, especially after a busy day. Same here. Evenings are for relaxation. What time do you usually sleep? I usually sleep around 11 p.m., or sometimes earlier if I am not busy. I sleep a bit late, maybe around 12 a.m. or later. That is a bit late. You should try sleeping earlier. Yes, I know. I'm trying to change that habit. Do you think your day was productive or lazy today? Today was a bit productive, but not fully. I completed some tasks, but also wasted some time. I think my day was productive. I managed my work and also had some relaxation. That's good. Do you often reflect on your day? Yes, sometimes I think about what I did well and what I should improve. That is a good habit. I also try to reflect before sleeping. Reflection helps you improve your daily life. Do you ever feel your day was boring? Yes, sometimes when I do the same routine again and again, the day feels boring. I also feel that sometimes. But even simple days are important. True, not every day can be exciting. Exactly. Balance is important. What do you prefer? Busy days or relaxed days? I prefer balanced days. Not too busy, not too lazy. I agree. Too much work or too much free time